Hey guys, today I'm going to be checking out the UV resins from Miniature Suite. These are the opaque resins and I have lilac, pink, and white. And I only have these 3 colors. You may have seen these in my last shop haul from them. I'm going to try to do the 3-color challenge with these 3 colors, and I also want to check the resins out and give a mini review. Sometimes I struggle with curing opaque resins because it's hard to get the UV all the way through, and it sometimes can be a little sticky and messy, but I have high hopes for these. So let's get started. Here are my finished pieces. I am so happy with how they turned out. I usually don't use a lot of colors, but when you know you're limited to 3, it kind of stresses you out. Now the rhinestones down here kind of disappeared, but they do sparkle, so it's kind of like a little bit of extra glitter. Now on the back here, the masking tape, the washi tape, wasn't stuck on properly, so I have a little hole there, but I'm going to fill that up with some resin and it'll be good as new. I must say, I really like this resin. You kind of have to squeeze hard when you're pouring the resin, but I love the colors. Here are some swatches that I made. The 2 colors are a really nice pastel and the white is very nice. And the one thing I really like about using pre-colored resin is that it cures. Now this I domed with the clear resin, but on the back here there is no sticky layer and you don't have to worry about the balance between pigments and resin, you know, because liquid pigments, if you put too much into the resin, it won't cure. And there's like a certain percentage and stuff, and I don't know those numbers, and sometimes I don't want to make big batches of colored resin, so this is perfect. Anyway, let me know what you thought of these 2 charms, and if you want to check out the pre-colored resin from Miniature Suite, I'll leave a link down below and you can check it out. See you guys next time. Bye!